Ever dreamed of soaring above it all and capturing epic moments from the sky? Today, we're unveiling the top 5 drones that blend cutting-edge tech, stunning image quality, and effortless flight controls. Whether you're a first-time flyer or a seasoned pro, get ready to take your creativity to new heights. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have DJI Neo, the best budget drone. DJI Neo is truly the standout choice for anyone seeking a budget-friendly drone. After extensive testing, it impressed me with its friendly features and performance compared to similar models on the market. This lightweight design shines brightest for beginners eager to dive into aerial photography. Safety takes priority thanks to shrouded propellers. Friends and family will feel at ease while you capture stunning shots. You can operate the drone with just one hand. Push a button and off it goes, performing fun-programmed shots like dronies. Whether using DJI controllers, FPV goggles, or a smartphone, navigation remains straightforward. Speed adds an exhilarating touch, reaching an impressive 20 miles per hour. Enjoy excellent maneuverability that makes every flight a thrilling experience. Built-in AI features enhance your time outdoors by seamlessly tracking you. Perfect for vloggers and casual filmmakers seeking high-quality content. User-friendliness shines here, allowing anyone to master it quickly, regardless of skill level. Noise levels can be a tad loud, reminiscent of a Banshee, but that's a minor hiccup compared to its amazing features. Most importantly, DJI Neo effortlessly makes capturing beautiful aerial shots both fun and easy. This drone truly satisfies both newbies and seasoned users alike. Long for pro-grade imaging and extended flight time? Wait until you see what's next. At number 4, we have DJI Air 3S, the best all-round drone for aerial photographers. Want to capture stunning aerial shots? DJI Air 3S serves as the best all-round drone for aerial photographers. We've put this device through rigorous testing, and it delivers consistently impressive performance. First, its lightweight 724-gram design enhances portability while providing superb wind resistance, making it suitable for various environments. You'll appreciate the generous 45-minute flight time, which allows for longer shooting sessions without constant recharging. Equipped with a dual camera system, the main camera shines with its larger 1-inch sensor. This upgrade elevates image quality, especially in tricky lighting conditions like nighttime. Expect professional-grade results whether shooting 4K videos or capturing photos up to 50 megapixel. LiDAR obstacle sensing performs admirably even in low light. You can confidently navigate your surroundings while focusing on capturing those perfect moments. A fantastic addition is the 3x telephoto lens with a 70mm focal length, giving you the flexibility to zoom in on distant subjects. This feature allows you to stay engaged with the action without getting too close. One minor area for improvement is that if you already own the Air 3, the Air 3S serves as a subtle update rather than a game changer. While it boasts great enhancements, those happy with the previous model may find limited incentives to upgrade. Want a drone that trails your every move without missing a beat? Keep watching to meet your new personal cameraman. Still searching for the perfect drone? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Hoverair X1, the best follow-me drone. Discover the Hoverair X1, a drone that truly stands out. This unique flying companion offers a delightful and secure experience for families. You'll love how it naturally follows you whether you're running, cycling, or just hanging out in the backyard. What makes this model a top choice? For starters, the caged propellers enhance safety, significantly reducing the risk of accidents. Parents can feel confident letting younger kids have fun with it under supervision. Plus, the straightforward voice commands and simple buttons eliminate the need for a smartphone, making setup easy. Being a follow-me drone, the X1 excels at tracking movement effortlessly. As you engage in different activities, it stays with you and captures the moment beautifully. This versatility is a major advantage over traditional drones, allowing everyone to enjoy its capabilities without expert skills. However, potential buyers should consider a few trade-offs. Flight time and range aren't as high as some competitors, particularly the DJI Neo. Yet this doesn't overshadow the fact that the Hoverair X1 remains a smarter choice for casual users who prioritize fun and safety over extreme specs. What I appreciate most about this drone is how it fosters family interaction and enjoyment. Instead of simply operating a piece of technology, you share experiences together. Looking for a beginner-friendly flyer that's as fun as it is easy to pilot? Our next pick delivers effortless thrills. At number 2, we have DJI Mini 3, the best drone for beginners. Ready to elevate your aerial game? DJI Mini 3 is your perfect companion. This drone stands out as the best choice for beginners and those on a budget. You'll appreciate its impressive camera, featuring a 1 and 1.3-inch 12-megapixel sensor. With an equivalent focal length of 24 millimeters, capturing stunning aerial shots becomes effortless. Wide-angle photos and videos shine, making it ideal for your online sharing. A fixed f1.7 aperture enhances low-light performance, ensuring great captures even at dusk. Enjoy switching between landscape and portrait formats with a 90 degrees rotating camera. This functionality caters to social media enthusiasts, making your content pop and increasing engagement. ISO handling excels as well, providing crisp images from ISO 100 to 3200. What's great about this model is its simplicity. Beginners find the lack of collision avoidance less daunting and focus more on flying. Capturing video at 4K up to 30 frames per second is easy, giving you quality without complexity. While it's not as advanced as the Mini 4 Pro, experienced users will find it meets their needs very well. Though it lacks the Pro's flat D-Log-M color profile, it's perfect for those starting their journey. What stands out most is how user-friendly the DJI Mini 3 is. You'll enjoy flying and creating content without hassle. Think that's powerful? Buckle up for the ultimate aerial powerhouse coming right up. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have DJI Mini 4 Pro, the best drone overall. Ready to elevate your aerial photography? Meet the DJI Mini 4 Pro, your go-to drone for capturing stunning visuals. After extensive testing, it truly stands out as the best DJI drone overall. Omnidirectional collision sensors provide peace of mind while flying. These smart sensors help you avoid obstacles, ensuring you remain focused on filming breathtaking landscapes. The ease of use adds to its appeal. Shooting 10-bit D-Log-M video takes your editing to another level. This unique feature enhances color grading, bringing a professional touch to your projects. Moreover, impressive HDR video at 60 frames per second significantly surpasses what you'll find with both the Mini 3 and Air 3 Pro. Flying becomes a liberating experience with the new O4 radio technology. Reliable reception reaches distances up to 20 kilometers. Coupled with the DJI RC2 controller, which features a built-in screen, your flying experience remains hassle-free. Versatility shines through with different battery options. Achieve flight times exceeding 40 minutes, depending on conditions. This flexibility is perfect for creative enthusiasts who want to explore various shooting sessions. While some may find the Mini 4 Pro on the pricier side for a drone, its advanced features justify the investment for serious users. This drone combines lightweight design with high-end technology, making it exceptional in many ways. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best drones. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which drone you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.